To buy or to rent, what's the best choice for you? This universal dilemma affects millions, and with the current economic changes, deciding has never been more crucial. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of each option, analyze practical examples, regional trends, and hybrid strategies to help you make the smartest decision. Ready to discover the best path for you? Let's go! Before we dive into the details, let's analyze why this decision is especially important today. Changes in interest rates and prices. In 2024, mortgage rates rose by 1%, making monthly house payments more expensive. Adding to this, there's a global increase in rental prices, with increases of 10% in major cities like New York and Madrid. Impact of the global economy. Inflation, job markets, and consumer preferences have led more people to seek financial stability through buying or flexibility through renting. Importance of local context. For instance, in rural areas of Europe, buying is still affordable, while in cities like London, renting is more common due to high purchase costs. Now that we understand the situation, let's dive into the pros and cons of buying or renting according to the experts. Buying a home is a dream for many, but it's not without its challenges. Here are the key points you should consider. Advantages: long-term stability. Owning your home gives you security and control without fear of eviction. Imagine Anna, who bought a house in 2020. Even though rates went up, today she has peace of mind because her mortgage is fixed. Long-term investment. Historically, property values tend to increase. In the last 20 years, real estate in the United States has increased in value by an average of 5% per year. Tax benefits. In countries like Spain, you can deduct mortgage interest. Total customization. Painting, remodeling, or creating the home of your dreams is an incomparable freedom. Disadvantages: high upfront costs. Down payment, closing costs, and maintenance can add up to thousands. Risk of depreciation. If you buy in a declining market, you could lose value. Less flexibility. If you need to move quickly, selling can be complicated. Renting also has clear advantages, especially in uncertain times. Advantages: flexibility. Ideal for those who need to move around or are exploring new cities. Peter, because of his remote job, rents in different countries each year, something impossible if he had a mortgage. Lower upfront costs. You only need a deposit and the first month's rent. Shared responsibility. The landlord covers major repairs. Access to premium locations. Renting in the center of Paris costs less than buying a similar property. Disadvantages: you don't build equity. Everything you pay in rent doesn't turn into an investment. Instability. Leases can end or rents can go up. Limitations: you can't remodel or personalize to your liking. With these advantages and disadvantages clear, let's talk about the key factors that should guide your decision. Your decision should be based on your personal situation and the market context. Here are the most important aspects. Financial factors. Use calculators like Smart Asset to compare the cumulative cost of buying versus renting. Lifestyle. Do you value stability or do you need to move frequently? Real estate market. Research interest rates and prices in your area. For example, in 2025, suburban areas are offering incentives for young buyers. Did you know that you don't have to choose between buying or renting? Here are some hybrid strategies to get the best of both options. House hacking. Buy a multi-family property and rent out the remaining units to cover your mortgage. Example: Luis bought a duplex and the rent from the lower floor pays his loan. Rent to own. Ideal if you want to secure a property while saving for the down payment. Shared ownership. Split the purchase with a family member or friend, sharing costs and responsibilities. With these strategies, you can make more informed decisions. Now let's talk about how this choice affects your life in the long term. Buying or renting not only impacts your finances, but it also defines key aspects of your emotional well-being. Buying. It provides stability and a sense of accomplishment, but it can also create stress due to debt. Renting. It offers freedom, although it can make you feel uncertain in the long term. Remember that the best decision is the one that aligns your resources, your goals, and your well-being. Which option do you prefer, buying or renting? Tell me in the comments about your experience or your doubts, and together we can analyze the best solution. In the end, buying or renting is not a question of who is right, but of what best suits your circumstances and goals. The important thing is to be informed and make conscious decisions. If this content helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.